How to transfer PaySafeCard to PayPal. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can transfer the PaySafeCard to PayPal. For this, first of all, you have to find a reliable exchange service. You have to look for the online services that offer the exchange PaySafeCard to PayPal. Websites like these act as intermediaries. Most of the exchange services will require you to create an account and verify your identity. After that, you have to follow the service's instruction to enter your PaySafeCard details and specify your PayPal account where you would like to receive the funds. There, you have to confirm the transaction and wait for the funds to be transferred to your PayPal account. This could take a few hours to a few days depending on the service. Some online platforms like Paxful or the local buy or sell groups allow users to sell their PaySafeCards for the PayPal funds. You can also post an offer to sell your PaySafeCard and specify that you would like to receive the payment via PayPal. There you have to wait for the buyer to accept your offer, then communicate with the buyer to confirm the details of the transaction. Once the buyer pays you via PayPal, you have to provide them with your PaySafeCard details. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.